Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCRSR Properties. Umpisa natin dito. Sa ito, service area. Then, meron tayong men's quarter dito. By the way, hindi ko pala nabanggit. This is located in Marikina. Right? Yung price natin, hingi lang updated sa ating seller, no? Sasama ko na lang po sa description. Pakitingnan nyo na lang po, ha? Mahirap pagkamali, lalo na presyo. Diba? Right, so again, service area natin, laundry area, then meron tayong men's quarter dito. Okay? Then, ito yung ground floor natin. Right. So, nandito tayo sa dining and kitchen area. Right? So, yan siya. Then, yung kanina yung parking, kahit anong sakyan, kasya po doon. Maluwag naman. Pero, good for one parking space tayo. Then, meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. And meron tayong, syempre, yung living area, hindi mawawala. Right? Ayusin ko lang. Okay. Yan. So, cove ceiling. Yung sa may living area. Tara, tayong second floor. Actually, ilan-ilan na lang ito sa Marikina. Yung barangay parang Marikina po ito, ha? Barangay parang Marikina. Okay, so second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms dito, including the master's bedroom. So first bedroom, so papansin nyo na kaya naka-ready na yung provision for window type, aircon, and cove ceiling din to. Right, so yan yung space. Then, merong common toilet and bath dito. Second floor. And yung ating master's bedroom. Yan. So, yung master's bedroom natin may sariling, may private bathroom po. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang private bathroom. And, ito yan. Alright? So, yung master's bedroom natin. Ganda, no? Ganda ng space ng master, tsaka yung design niya. Right, then naka-cove ceiling din. Actually, lahat naman ng bedroom naka-cove ceiling. Then merong mini balcony doon. Okay? So yun lang, isang mabilis lang. Again, this is located in parang Marikina City. Flood free tayo dito, hindi tayo binabaha. Okay? Yung price, ipopost ko, isama ko sa description. Okay, hingi lang ako na updated. Kasama po yung lahat ng details like that area, floor area. Okay? So, number of bedrooms and toilet and bath, nakita nyo naman sa video. Right? So, yan. Again, my name is Vino, NCRSR Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.